Namaste guys, so today we'll prepare this cucumber and aloe vera gel. As you know that cucumber and aloe vera are world famous for their calming and soothing property, which will really help in lightening blemishes, dark circle, puffiness in eyes as well as treating the sunburn. So for preparation we'll require cucumber, aloe vera gel and vitamin E capsules. First wash the cucumber, then start cutting it. Please make sure that you do not remove the cucumber peel as it is very rich in vitamin K as well as fiber, which make it really good for skin. So please do not remove the cucumber peel. After cutting, transfer all the cucumber pieces into the blending jar and blend it until it become like a very thin paste. If you want, you can use vegetable grater, but you will get the maximum juice from the blender. Then put the mixture into a strainer and take out all the juice with the help of a spoon. First take a bowl and to this bowl add aloe vera gel. Here I am using nice aloe vera gel which is 99% pure. You can use any aloe vera gel but make sure that it is paraben, silicone and mineral oil free, and also make sure that the product is made in India. Aloe vera gel is rich in vitamin C, vitamin E as well as beta carotene, which fight aging as well as remove skin blemishes, and it also enhances the collagen production in our body. After this, add cucumber juice. It is really helpful in reduction of dark circles. Also, ascorbic acid present in cucumber reduce puffiness in eyes, which leaves our skin very soft and smooth. Right now it is looking like that they have not mixed together really well, but let them settle for some time and it will get mixed well. I am also adding vitamin E capsules. Adding vitamin E capsules is completely optional. The main point is to increase its shelf life. Also, vitamin E capsules moisturize your skin, add shine and reduce blemishes. Mix everything really well and your aloe vera cucumber gel is ready. Then I have transferred it to a small container and stored it in fridge. Please store it in cool place so it will last for a longer period of time, and also whenever you will apply it on your face, it will give you a very cooling sensation. First clean your face with the help of a toner, then apply this moisturizing gel, and then you can apply sunscreen if it is daytime, and if it is night then just apply this gel and you can sleep. This cucumber and aloe vera gel is very soothing for skin. It will give you a very cooling effect and also it will moisturize your skin. Apply this gel 2 times for maximum effect as it is very wonderful for treating puffy eyes, dark circle as well as blemishes. You can also apply it on your hands. It will make them very soft and smooth. So I hope guys you like this video, and if you do so please like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me, and that's it with the video guys. We'll meet soon. Until then, bye bye, take care.